Alright, well today I got the parts for the 751 and we're going to put them together and see what happens today on Tim Time projects. Alright, I'll use the solder sucker. I'm going to pull out D51, which is somewhere on this board. Here it is, I think. Here's our D51. That's the zener diode. I'm sorry, I guess I should have told you that, huh? I'll use this to hold it from falling over while I solder that real quick. Put the diode back in. Wipe that solder off with a nice dry cloth. Well, unfortunately, I'm not able to grab any of my video from the back camera, so I'll just kind of speed through this because you can't really see what I'm doing. Alright, we're ready to put juice to it. So I get the camera trained in to watch for smoke. Let's see. What's going on here? I'm going to touch this to ground somewhere. Can't prove we're good to grab ground. Here we go, right here, maybe. And we'll take a positive lead. Alright, power supply going on. And at the DC volts. We go power on. Much right in this area for any smoke or anything. Right in this area generally. Here we go. Alright, let's see if we have any voltage on that lead now. Ground and DC volts. My magnifier on, I can't see down in there. It's too dark. Showing 5.6 volts. This could be a good thing. Turn on our function generator. I have the dummy load hooked up right now. I always do in case I turn it on and it goes into some crazy transmit mode or something. So let's go to 14.2. We're still there, and I'm just gonna look down here and view out a little bit. Make sure that we didn't damage anything. We did have transmit power before, so let's see what we got there. Alright, there you go. It's going up, so it's transmitting. Alright, let's see what receive does. Get this stuff all of our way. Get back on receive. I'll give you this so you can see the S meter. We gotta turn it toward the camera. Boy, that's really so bright that you can't see it. Let me see if I can turn down the camera some. That works great. I'm sure I'm going to try switching a different camera. Alright, I'm using the signal generator here. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy there. So it gives me a good S9 with the preamp on. And then it drops to, that's the attenuator, gives it S7. really hard to get to the off position. There's the attenuator, but I don't know if that's, I can still hear the, so I think I'll clean that switch while I'm in here. Well, while I'm here, I want to get a look at this front board with the attenuator switch. There's a little switch, a little tiny, it's not a micro switch, but it's a little tiny switch. And oh, it looks like it gets a lot of pressure on it. I want to make sure it's not broken out of the solder joints. Look at that, we got that out of there. Well, we're getting it out of there. Let's take a look at these solder joints. They look pretty good, actually. Yeah, I mean, the switch is rocking, but the joints look great. So let me see if I can shoot a little bit of contact cleaner into it. Oh, I'll try the old detox it. Well, there's a lot of digital things happening on 10 meters. I forgot that's the only antenna I have down here. You have a radio without a built-in tuner. I'm not used to that. It's been so long since I've messed with a radio without a built-in tuner. But you can see, I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to try and tone that down even. I'll tone that down even more. Yeah, there you can see the S meter working. See what else we can. Oh, nice. Even I don't know when the last time I heard Morse code on 10 meters was. That wasn't some crazy 25 word a minute digital. I only said it because I can only do about 13 words a minute. Looks like we have a mic issue too. No buzz there. 1, 2. Quiet as a mouse. Yeah. Probably a wire hanging off on this or something somewhere. Garrett? Okay, we'll take a look at that as well. But leave this down here and play with it for a little bit, get to know it.
Secure 10 meters, secure Lima United 5, Echo Alpha, Lima Uniform 5, Echo Alpha, secure the exit.
You're 5-9 into Pennsylvania, United States.
Okay, Alpha Juliet India. One more time, Alpha Juliet India. American Express 59, you are 555 in Pinamar City. My name is Roberto QSL.
Very good, very good. Can you give me phonetic spelling on that? My name is Tim, Tango India Mike.
Many thanks for the contact. Good Sunday to you. Happy New Year to you and your family. Very good year.
Happy New Year, K.A.
Bye-bye. Thank you. You are 38, so Lima United 5.
All right, so there you have it. 751's done. Seems to be working okay. I'll play with it for a little bit. And it's good to see 10 meters up and running. Good to see 10 meters up and running. I'll break into the other ICOMs. Those ones are surface mods, so they're a little trickier, but I already made some headway on one of them. Whether it's going to be a fix or not, I don't know. Thanks for watching.